Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for your next grown-up set of hangers, then you definitely need to check this one out. It's by House Day, and this is a complete set of hangers that will let you revolutionize your closet. So my daughter has definitely grown up a lot, and she needed some nice grown-up hangers because we were really tired of everything falling off the hangers or not being big enough to be able to hold shirts and dresses. These hangers are so perfect. I really love that the hangers are wider than even the widest hanger we already had. It comes with a little divot at the top so that you can very easily place even the skinniest of straps and you won't have to worry about it falling off. The fabric itself also prevents clothes from falling off, so even if something is wide, but it really won't shift in the closet. The hangers are great because they're slim, so you can really fit a lot of clothes on the hangers, and then you won't have to worry about taking up a huge amount of space in your closet. And even in our coat closet, these hangers hold the heaviest of items. This comes with a really generous set so that I really could transform her closet around, and now she has the perfect setup to hold all of her clothes. And we have extra hangers so that we can use them all around the house. But that's just my point of view.